Before you remove the battery, remove the negative terminal, then remove the positive terminal. To remove the positive wire, there are 2 clips on both sides. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the clips. Then you have to remove the brain, and there are 2 big clips as you can see in the video. They pops right on out. In this clip right here, you will use a 14mm socket to remove the battery stump that holds the battery in place. Once you remove the battery stump, the battery should be easy to come out. In this clip, you will put the battery stump back in using the 14mm socket.